In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip an image in Wix swiftly and easily. Whether you're looking to add a creative twist to your website design, or simply correct the orientation of an uploaded image, this guide will walk you through each step of the process. Let's get started by opening up the Wix website editor. If you're already logged into your Wix account, you should be in your dashboard. From here, navigate to the My Sites section. Find and select the site you want to edit. This will take you directly to the Wix website editor where we'll be making our changes. Now that you're in the editor, you need to select the image that you wish to flip. Click on the image to highlight it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around it, usually with small editing handles at the corners and along the sides. This allows you to access the options to edit and customize your image. Once you've selected the image, look for the Edit Image button. This should be located in the settings panel on the right side of your screen. By clicking on this, a suite of editing tools will become available to you, giving you the ability to modify the image directly. With the image editing tools now open, the next step is to click on the option labelled Crop and Extend. This might sound like we're adjusting the size of the image, but it also holds the key to flipping it. When you click on this option, additional settings will be revealed. Among these settings, you'll find the flip options. If you want to mirror your image horizontally, simply click on Flip Horizontally. This will flip the image along its vertical axis, essentially swapping the left and right sides. This option is great if you need to alter the perspective or symmetry of your design. If flipping horizontally doesn't achieve the look you're going for, or if you also need a vertical flip, you can click on Flip Vertically. This will rotate your image along its horizontal axis, inverting both the top and bottom halves. This can be particularly useful for creating reflections or other creative design elements. And there you have it. You've successfully flipped your image in Wix. Remember to save your changes by clicking the Save button at the top right of the screen. This ensures that all the fantastic edits you've made are preserved. I hope you found this guide helpful for your Wix endeavors. Feel free to explore other editing features to keep your site looking fresh and engaging. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more web design tips and techniques.